I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Genesis key fob battery. First, let's prepare. You'll need a new CR 2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick battery change, getting your key fob back in action without any hassle. Having the right tools ready makes the process much easier. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might be. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery, perhaps using the screwdriver tip if needed. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, it's a good idea to immediately test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.